Oh, YouTube, before we get to this banger video, man, I want y'all witness this crazy thing that just happened before the video even started. But I hope y'all liked the video. I hope I made y'all laugh. And let's continue to the video. You started throwing pillows in there.
You're the man.
And you're the girl.
Okay.
I got the camera, so.
Promise you, when I throw this pillow, I'm running. Bro.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared all your life. You was scared in basketball games?
Yup, nope. Stop pushing me in there. Oh, God.
This nigga gonna throw the... And then you threw my controller on the ground?
You thought I was gonna stay? The fuck?
Bruh, you two, it's a bird in here. This dumbass let it come in.
Who dumbass?
You dumbass.
I promise you, when this bird come out, I promise you gonna be the bird. You gonna be next bird, dumbass.
I'm the biggest bird. I'm the biggest bird.
That's why you stuck in there with the bird.
You two. It's a damn bird and... Oh, whoa. Oh my God, I realized what I... Yo. Gotta blur that out. Nigga, there's a bird in here, fool. I don't know where that junk go.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, shit! Nigga, it was up there on the roof! Oh, shit! Nigga! Bro, it's on the chandelier. Bro, the bird's literally right there on the chandelier.
Bro, get it out. I see it.
You do?
Yes.
Dude, y'all see that YouTube? It's right there.
Bro, can we call the police or something? I'm scared of birds. I'm scared of all of it. Man, look at my back.
Anyway, I'm finna put the camera back on when we finna get the bird. I gotta use the restroom real quick. Alright, YouTube. I guess I gotta be the one. Oh, what the fuck?
I told you.
Get out.
You hear that YB? I think trying to see where that YB come from.
Bro,
Yeah!
I gotta change, bro. I gotta.
Where'd he go? There's the door.
You thought I was a bird or something?
Yes. You got me scared.
Where'd he go?
Oh, look at that big fool. This nigga must have heard us that saying we gonna come and get him.
It's moving. Get in. Go get it.
Hold on, I'm finna wait till this nigga start moving.
Get out. There's the door.
You gotta eventually stop moving. Hurry up before another bird come in.
We need to get him out of here.
Nigga, look, the chandelier
There
moving.
you go. Back. Oh, he flew. He's come back. Come on.
Bro, I'm not trying to go in there.
Bro,
Bird, bro.
Yo.
Bro, his ass, you just get the fuck out.
Get out. There's the door. All the way.
Just start waving the broom.
Where'd he go?
Just start waving the broom for the chandelier.
Come on. Let's go. Let's get out.
Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Here, birdie, birdie, birdie. Here, birdie, birdie. Shoot the bird. Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
Somebody come in here.
Here, birdie, birdie, birdie.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
No, babe. Shoot it.
Shoot it.
No.
Get out.
It's
There's the
good.
door.
No, I was gonna pick it up. Babe, just shoot. It's at the edge. Look, it's at the edge. Never mind.
Get him out of here.
Shoot it out of here.
Back. Come on. He flew. He's come back.
Bruh.
Come on. Let's go. Let's get out.
This dumbass bird.
Get out.
Bro, I'm gonna
Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out.
Bro, I'm finna just open last door so they be fine. And then shut the door. That's gonna beat my ass. She gonna beat my ass if I do that.
Let's go. Let's get out.
Wait,
Get out.
Why won't you come this way, you dumbass bird? You should die.
Come on. Come on, get
You're a
up.
bird, bro. I'm gonna
Get
call
up.
some of
There's the
these
door.
neighbors
Oh,
to
yeah.
down or something.
What are we gonna do with this guy? We need to get him out of here.
Play some bird sounds. Like,
Hey, they ain't gonna come in here. I don't
it
think
probably
so.
will.
The bird's coming.
Let's go. Let's get out. Get out.
It's on that chandelier.
Get out. Get out. Come on. Come on, get out. Get out. There's the door.
Bro.
Oh, yeah.
Bro, get out.
What are we gonna do with this guy?
You saying get out? You want to make the bird get out?
Play some bird music. Oh, you finna, oh.
It's gonna be great.
Back.
Let you move. Yeah, because I don't trust you.
Come on. Get out. Get out. Come on.
Bro. It's still on the chandelier.
Oh, yeah. What are we gonna do with this guy? We need to get him out of here. Where we go? Back.
Can you see it?
Yeah, she's shooting it.
Let's go. Let's get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Come on.
It's on the ground?
Oh,
Get
no.
out. There's the door.
Bro,
Oh,
I
yeah.
ain't gonna lie. I want to sit in the corner, bro.
We need to get him out of here. Where we go?
Let me get over here, you get over here.
Back.
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Come on.
I'm scared.
Let's go. Let's get out. Get out. Get out.
Tell him get out.
Come on. Come on. Get out. Get out. There's the door. Oh, yeah.
I'm acting like a real bitch right now, but I don't care.
We need to get him out of here.
Ugh,
There you
that
go.
bird's bleeding, y'all.
It's bleeding.
Look at the roof. What's wrong with it?
You think the people gonna... You gonna have to tell him it was a bird that came in, that's why there's blood on there. Look, he got his mouth open. Oh!
I'm gonna kill the bird too, right here.
At this point, shit.
This car was in that little corner, it's dying.
It's behind. Bruh, come on, cuz. Get your scary ass in here. Go grab the mop. So we can have something else. So we can have something else.
Well, it might be pushed on like this. I'm not trying to get the bird.
Somebody get a neighbor or something. Is it
Every
good?
time, yes, every time it hits somewhere. Cause it hit right there. It was hitting all over there. But
Oh, yeah, I see that shit. See?
Look behind that dresser. Did it poop on your bed?
Nigga, I hope the nigga didn't poop on the bed.
Yeah, it did. Behind
Bro.
that dresser. I don't know why he's doing that yelling. Girl, get back in the house so I can get you my neck. Close it up.
Bro, alright, I'm gonna pick the camera back up when we finally get the bird out, bro. This shit is crazy. YouTube, it's your boy Dino. I'm back with another vlog, man. And we got a little water park vlog for y'all, man. Bro, if y'all new to the channel, man, like and subscribe, man. I'm finna drop straight bangers, back to back to back, you know what I'm saying? On some shit. Yeah, we at Alabama right now at the water park. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie. Do I want to get in this?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
It's cold with shit. It feels good though.
That way. Yeah, I'm trying to see that. Hold up, let's watch this.
Smoking area.
I think we're 25. I think we're on the dry side. Let's go.
Yeah, we went this way, so we gotta go that way.
Yeah, let's just go.
Why would we go straight?
See, look, there's a pathway down there.
Your eyes can never pass on exams.
You know what I'm I'm saying? We out here, man. Finna go get on some rides and shit like that. I don't know how long this vlog gonna be, cause like I still want to have fun and stuff like that. But oh my god, you can look on my shoulder and say, ugly ass.
What you say?
Bro, why you hear me?
What you say?
I said, I said if you was my sister, I would have been like, ugly ass. Yeah, we supposed to be matching. We kind of are, cause she had like a matching set of these, but she wear these cause like they got pink pants. Chill out. Right, it's just that British talk I got.
You always talking about this British.
I'm so for real. I was born in London.
Boy, shut up. Look
Like, my mom, for real, my mom right now had me on a honeymoon. I asked my mama, she gonna tell you. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna pick up the camera when we get on the ride. What? Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we'll catch y'all in the next clip.
Teach me how to close it.
Okay.
Here. And if that phone drops.
You dropped my phone. Drop that phone.
Look at that.
That's how you do
Here. I don't want my phone though.
Oh, you can't put it on your neck. Yeah, we're just out here chilling in the water, in the lazy river with it, chilling. Feet kicked up. Yeah. I don't know if y'all can see her or not. Alright, I'm gonna catch y'all when we get to the ride somewhere. Alright, you two, let's go, boy. Oh, yeah. Hellcat. Huh? But chill. Okay. We're both here at the same time, so it don't even matter.
3 days later.
Nigga, I couldn't even see, bro. I had to close my eyes. Stop, chill. Don't do that. Bruh. Nigga, what the freak? I can't see. What are you doing?
Brother, what's that?
Give me a hand.
Marco.
I'm just kidding. Come here. Like, you think she's tweaking. This ain't gonna work.
Let's go to the pool.
No, just give me my shirt. I ain't gonna lie, you took the video. I don't know if the video's still recording up. If it is, y'all liking the video right now, like and subscribe. I can't even see right now.
Come on.
Bruh, I don't see. I'm stubbing my toe. Just give me my shirt. Man, you tweaking.
You over here walking slow.
Hey, what is that?
See, yeah, no.
Where y'all finna go next? Another block.
Where is it?
I wanna go to the place, but ain't no tube.
Really?
You can go without a tube.
I wanna go with a tube.
Let's go without a tube.
Girl, I can't hold your hand. I'm recording.
Okay.
I'm recording.
I can record. I got an empty here. She's 21. He said, how old you is? He said, did he look at you? He did. He said, how old you is? Yeah, I can replay this if you got to record this. He said, how old you is?
That's why I looked at him crazy. Well, I looked at that nigga crazy. I'm like, what?
He changed it when you looked at him.
Oh, man, I looked at that nigga crazy. What the fuck? What you just said, kid?
Changed it real quick.
Oh, bro, I was finna see what he was talking about. Look at that. Hey, with these paws.
Boy.
Oh, bro.
No. What you mean? He said, how old you is? Yeah, at first he said how old I was, and he saw Darian.
That lifeguard?
Yeah, I said, she 21. You're 21, ain't it?
Oh, that's how old I was?
Yeah, at first there was an accident how old I was, until he saw Darian.
Darian.
My baby. My baby. My sweet, sweet baby.
Cause, nah, I knew she was gonna. If I would have said something like that, damn!
That's what I'm trying to hurry up here.
Shit hot.
Ugh, smell like piss.
They always feel like
Like precious.
Little ass kids.
Nah, some big ass kids too.
Nah, really be them grown adults too.
Bro,
Don't
like
get
you remember
scared,
Precious? What? I just want to lift some of that out.
Oh. She probably don't even watch.
Yeah, but I know someone who do.
Who?
Talk to me here.
Nordis.
Why was it you scared?
Oh.
I didn't want to say the name, but
he's still gonna kill me.
Oh, we made it to the top already?
yeah.
No, go ahead.
Then we all gotta go in different tubes.
Dude, you thought we was all gonna go to San Antonio?
I got blue.
I go whatever goes first. What's I gonna say?
I ain't gonna lie. Hey, if y'all was liking the video, man, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Road to 500.
What's your up here? What's it gonna say?
I'm so scared. I'm scared a little bit now.
I'm not scared. I'm tired.
I ain't ready.
I think I want to go back down.
No.
Ooh,
You're like one of them little kids.
I want to get over there.
That's new. I do too. It
Oh,
got.
that's, all three of us can get on that.
It probably got a. I know what you're gonna say. Sorry,
You was gonna say wait.
yeah, I'm not trying to throw that nothing I'm saying. If mama and daddy get on together, I never know. You said 3 people.
You weirdo.
I just
Her. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. Face down is crazy.
You said what?
Face down is crazy. Face down is crazy. I'm scared. Oh, shit. You good? Oh shit! How the hell last you get in front of it? Dude. Yo, YouTube, don't get mad at me. I swear my phone got hot, so I couldn't record no more. And then the rides that we got on, like after that ride we got on there, it was like 2 more rides we got on. But my phone was hot, so I couldn't get on it. And then I forgot to record on my girlfriend's phone. So that's my bad on my part on the recording, but I hope y'all still enjoy the video and like it, man. Like, comment, subscribe, man. You know, road to 500, bro. All right, YouTube. We're finna get ready and leave. We rode a whole bunch of rides, got tired and stuff like that. But now I'm finna go to the gift shop to get my mama something, cause she said she wanted something for her fridge or something like that. But man, like, this water park was straight. I ain't gonna lie, it was straight. Man, I ain't gonna lie, slick. Wanna go on that basketball court. Where at? Oh, shit, damn, I'm blind as hell. I ain't gonna lie. We playing after this, we're probably gonna go back to the crib, chill, and then head out to get some seafood. So if y'all wanna see that, y'all gotta see another video. It's gonna be a mukbang video or something like that. Let's see if I can find my mom or something. Can these go on these magnets? Hey, these magnets right here. Shoot, man. She said just something Alabama.
Shut-ins.
Yes, magnets. She said Alabama. And be Pacific.
Yeah, that's a good one.
This one.
Yeah, you got Alabama on there.
And what's this one? Oh, that's what we're gonna get her. That's all she said she wanted, to put something in her refrigerator. I guess I'm gonna pick the camera back up when I guess when we get back to the crib. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in this clip. Alright, YouTube. We made it back home. I think I'm in the vlog here, but I'm ending off with some good eats. You know what I'm saying? But you know, this is like our lunch until we go to the seafood place for dinner. But we went back to the place we went last night. But this time I got the Philly cheese. Same wings but Philly cheese. But yeah, I went go ahead and tear this down, and then Beja, she got the burger. We basically just switched places. But, like with the sandwiches, and then she got her she still got her Philly though too. But yeah, we finna go ahead, merge down and watch TV. But it's the end of this vlog. I hope y'all like it. I hope it was long enough. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, press turn on post notifications, share it to your friends, share it to your mom, your family, and all that, man. Just try to get it out, post it on your social. You know what I'm saying? Just get the video out if you like it. But yeah, road to 500 subscribers, man. Thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. I'm glad that I got the subscribers that I got and the views that I got from the last recent videos I have. But yeah, it's your boy Young D. Catch y'all next vlog. Peace.
Bitch through the pussy quick, I don't even trust it. Whole kid footed, I ain't even nothing. Fuck rap, I still blood, nigga budget. I can't speak pipe with him, he don't